What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive deep into this video where I explain and show 4 shoes that I invested where I think they're gonna go up in value, I wanna go ahead and do a big shout out to our sponsor for this video, Whatnot. So basically, if you guys haven't known, and if you guys haven't been keeping up with our IG, we basically just recently joined Whatnot about a month ago, and we've been streaming twice a week. So if you haven't seen us on this channel, that's pretty much a reason why. But what basically is, just imagine the combination of eBay and Twitch, just being able to combine both and having your favorite YouTube stars or YouTube influencers, IG influencers going on there and kind of selling off products that are in their own personal collection or even in their inventory and being able to interact with you guys. So I definitely would highly check it out. There is going to be a link down below where if you join Whatnot app, create an account, you get $10, I get $10. It works out for both of us. So hope you guys can join that in the description down below. But I do want to explain that they are teaming up with us and we are hosting a giveaway where we're going to be giving away a pair of the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunders, Thunder Reds, whatever you guys want to call it. All you have to do, I'm going to post a picture right here that is on our Instagram. Follow these rules. Go on our Instagram, OOSKicks, find the post. It should be our latest one, and follow those rules. Number 1, like this post. Number 2, comment Whatnot on the post. Number 3, make sure you're following our Instagram, the Whatnot Instagram, and the Whatnot Sneakers Instagram. And lastly, you have to be present during our Whatnot Live this Saturday, January 29th at 6:30 p.m. where we're gonna be live raffling or live giving this away on the app live. So you're gonna be able to see through the app the giveaway feature that they have on there. So definitely please check us out. Have fun with us, vibe with us on that channel, because definitely it's something that I see for the future, especially with what's going on in this world. So let's go straight into the video, and I hope I see you on that live stream, and maybe you could take away these for free. Peace out, y'all. So what is the goal of 2022? And just like every year, it's to get our bags up. I'm trying to push, you feel me? What we're gonna do here is I'm gonna show you 4 shoes that I've invested in the last 22 days in terms of how the shoes are gonna go, what kind of predictions I'm making. But I'm gonna say this right now, Dunks. That's what you should be looking at, because they're always going to be pushing, they're always going to be raising up in value, and not like the Yeezys where they're going to be re-releasing or like using other models from the past. These ones are coming out with fire, and it's consistently going up in value. You guys saw my videos last week or last time. We made some money, and hopefully I can go ahead and help you guys in terms of what I'm buying. It is not financial advice, so make sure you guys do your own research. But these are the top 4 shoes that I'm investing for this year in the beginning that I think have really good upside. So let's check them out. Coming in at number 1, right here. These are going to be a men's size. This is the Goldenrod. So I was buying this, I think in the beginning of 2021, the prices were just at $150. So I bought, I believe, 6 pairs. I bought from size ranges 10 to 12, a few 13s as well. And I think definitely these are still gonna go up in price. The yellow pops, you got the black here, and just the kind of vibe you're getting from this is totally what is gonna be able to go up in price when these stop re-releasing in stores. So if you can, I think I've seen prices where these are already at $200. So we're already up about 50 bucks in terms of our initial investment, but I still think that these can push at least $275, at least by summertime. Remember that. We'll go and post up as of the date today. These are the prices on StockX right here. I think that these are really they have a chance. Coming in at number 2, we got a Jordan box here, and it looks like a low box. And you guys are probably gonna be a little bit surprised I'm gonna be investing in these. I bought 2 size full runs in terms of this. So this one is going to be, I haven't bought them in StockX because people be difficult these days. I bought and invested into these, the Air Jordan 1 Red Toe Lows. Now, your reasoning to me or telling me why? OS, why are you buying these? Well, take a look at these, the black toes. I'm gonna show it right here. These are going for almost $300 to $400, and this is basically almost similar to what's going on. If you follow the patterns, follow the silhouettes, I definitely think that we can be able to see this by Christmas time or even by summertime when these stop releasing in stores. This is easily going to be a $300 shoe. So prices right now are about 160, 170 depending on size. I loaded up on GS as well because they are cheaper. StockX is a good way to buy, or if you can buy them from your Facebook groups, I would do that. But definitely think that these are gonna be a good investment. So stock up on these if you can. And lastly, I'm gonna show you 2 shoes that I think are gonna be able to go up in value at least within the next month. And I'm calling this and I'm hoping I'm right, but I have a big feeling that this is gonna be correct. So these 2, one is a women's pair and the other one is a grade school pair. So check these out. These are the 2 shoes that I think are gonna go up in the next month before Valentine's Day. I'm buying from StockX, which is weird because why would OOS be buying? Can't you buy? Well, sometimes it's harder to make deals on Instagram or on Facebook, so I'm just kind of cutting that out now. These 2 shoes are gonna go up. Why? Hello, look at the silhouette. You got this pink right here, you got the pink right here, then you got the white. It's just, this is the recipe for these to go up, and I definitely think, especially for the demand in women, these are gonna be easily $300 shoes. I bought a total, I'll show you my little video. I bought a total of 15 of these, and I bought a total, I believe, 10 pairs of these, and I think my investment return is gonna be really good. I spent total at an average price about $170 per pair. If we look at the price right here, I'm thinking they're already up. I think they're about like at 200. And then on these, I paid a little bit more just because, what does it remind me of? Strange Love vibes right here in the back tab. I think it's pretty dope if you guys take a look at this. It's basically just suede full, and I definitely think that these are gonna do numbers. A lot of pink shoes releasing, but this one just kind of pops out there. Better than the orange pearls for sure. But I just think because of Valentine's coming up, and then you got summertime where you got dunks ruling the world, these are gonna be a great hold in your portfolio. So yeah, I would cop these ASAP if you can. So do me a favor, please comment down below, what do you guys think in terms of the patterns that you're realizing within the sneaker game and thinking about what I'm copying. Do you guys agree? Do you guys think that there's another better investment out there? I think a number one thing that you have to realize is look at what I'm buying and look at how much I'm spending. Of course, it's great to go like AMA 3s or the AMA 1s, but you're dropping $400 a pair versus these where your risk is a little bit lower, but your upside, you already know you're gonna go up. So you have to get in the right timing, do this, and trust me, you will make money. It's a low top season for the summertime. You already know this, and you're gonna make that bread. So again, if you guys like this video, please let us know in the comments below. Comment, like, subscribe, it helps us a lot. And if you guys like these prediction videos, please let me know. I'll keep on pushing them out in terms of what I've been buying, what I've been investing in, and then we can go from there. So I'm gonna name this video spending $5,000 on these 4 shoes, and we're gonna leave it at that. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And always remember, y'all, stay in stock, man. With OOSKicks. Peace.